Hey, what's up, Dent Coin holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very urgent news for Dent Coin. So keep watch and remember this is just 2 minute video, but this is understand you towards the in upcoming days they fails down more or they go up in upcoming days. What's my prediction? And what this is technical analysis. What's the new target of Dent Coin and what's my opinion to sell, hold or buy? So absolutely this video is going very special for Dent Coin holder. So keep watch. But first of all, if you can see my friend, the crypto market especially very badly falls down. Only Ethereum going up, otherwise all cryptocurrencies very badly falls down, my friend. So let's come out to what's going on in the debt, my friend, and what's going on in the upcoming days. They're going up or they falls down, my friend. First of all, I request you to please, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Please click the subscribe button. Thanks for subscribing ABS Tech channel. My friends, first of all, this is, you can see here the last 24-hour chart, and I draw a chart, my friend. You can see here, first of all, I draw a chart. This time, if you can see, my friends, they're moving in a circulation exactly, and I hope in upcoming days they also fails jump off in upcoming days. This is I 100% sure, my friends, today go up in upcoming days. My prediction as today go up in upcoming days. So please, this is also my opinion to hold it. Don't sell it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit because all cryptocurrencies as they in those days fails down. So therefore, I think they also gone down, my friend. If you can see here in the last 24 hours, the result change occur at 0.6%. This is very good, my friend. This is not bad. Absolutely, this is not bad, my friend. So if we check out the last 1 hour to what's going on in the last 1 hour, this is important. You can see here the last 1 hour they fails down, my friend. Minus 1.68% they fails down. So exactly very bad fall. But I hope in upcoming days they're moving off the target at 0.1 US dollar. I hope they hit it at the end of this month. What you say they hit it, please tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching, my friends. My prediction is that today go up in upcoming days. My target is that today can hit 0.1 US dollar. And my friend, please, the giveaway of Dent Coin is coming soon. Please complete my 10,000 subscriber. I hope you completed. You do it, then I do a giveaway. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.